All right, I'm not a big fan of voiceovers, but since we're making bread today, I figured I would tell you guys how to do it because a lot of people actually shy away from making homemade bread. Go ahead and get warm water, not hot water, warm water. And you don't want to fill up your cup, just about an inch worth of it. You're gonna put your active yeast in it. Then you're gonna put about a teaspoon and a half of sugar. Same with the flour. You're gonna mix it all up together and you're gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes. This is what it should look like once it's done. It should be almost to the top of the cup. Get yourself a bowl and get yourself some flour. You can use bread flour, all-purpose flour. I prefer King's Arthur flour because I feel like it's just the best. We use it for everything. 3 cups of it, and then you're gonna add some salt. And I can't tell you how much salt to use because I don't measure the salt, but you'll see. Go ahead and pour all of that active yeast you just made into the flour. Mix it all up together. I usually mix the flour and the salt first together and then put that all in. So you're gonna pour all of it in. Then you're gonna use that same cup and you're gonna put warm water in it. And you're gonna slowly start pouring that warm water into the dough. And you'll want a sticky dough. You don't want a hard dough. Don't keep putting flour in it. Slowly put the water in and form a sticky dough. Then you'll put flour on a surface and you're gonna go ahead and knead it for a few minutes. Your dough does not have to be a perfect ball. This is where you're gonna put now a little bit of oil into a bowl. And you're gonna put your dough in it, and this is where it's going to rise for the next hour. You're gonna cover it. If you can, cover it with a towel on top of it. You want it in a warm place. Today we had our windows open, so it's not really warm inside the house, but we were making soup, so I ended up putting it right next to the soup. Once that hour's gone by, you're gonna flour a surface and you're gonna take out the dough. As you can see here, it is still very sticky. You want it like that, because that's what's gonna make it not dense. Like I said earlier, if you put too much flour in it, it's gonna be dense. It's not gonna be sticky like this. If you need help taking it out, take some of that flour and just kind of scrape it out. Now here, you're not gonna be kneading it. You're just gonna kind of shape it. Use that flour just so it doesn't stick to the bottom. You can make a round loaf, you can make a long loaf, whatever you decide. I usually stick to the longer loaf. I don't know why, I just do. I have made round breads, but usually this is easier because then we don't ever buy really sandwich bread. So this comes in handy for that. It does not have to be a perfect shape. It's gonna get eaten